Good morning, guys. My name is Yuvraj Joshi, and we are here for the lab session of Web Development PCS 693. Today, we are going to learn about frames. So, the question is that if you want to open uh, two web pages in a single browser page, what you will do? So, the answer is we will use frame set tag. So, for the frame set tag, we will start with the notepad file. In that notepad file, we will write HTML, close HTML, two sections. First is head, and we will write frame set on the head tag. Inside the head tag, we will use title, then title closed. After head, second section is body and body closed. Now let us save it with the name default.html with double inverted commas, and now save. Now you can see this is your frame set tag for, browser window. Now let us minimize it. We will see how you will see how we will implement frame set tag. So instead of body we will write frame set tag, because we don't use a body for the frame set implementation. So instead of body we will write frame set. Simple. Now inside the frame set, what we will do is we will write rows equals to 50%, comma 50%, double inverted commas closed. You will see what it will do. Refresh. Now, so we have to create two frames, as you would have understood. uh, we would be dividing it by two rows, 50% each. You can see the line is present here. Now inside a frame we will give name to this frame, that is name equals to frame 1, and here name equals to frame 2. Now save, refresh, nothing happens. I will show you. Now we will open it with Firefox. You can see frames are also implemented here in this browser window. Now we will open it with Internet Explorer. So I will write on the run notepad. No, I am opening new notepad file now. In that notepad file, I will start with HTML. Just close HTML, and then head section closed. Then after head section, I will give title in that, and it is really very simple. This will be frame 1 and title closed. Then comes the body section, frame 1, then body closed. So we will click on save as, frame1.html, double inverted commas close. So here we have our file, that is frame 1. Now what we will do is save another file with the same name, with the difference in the difference in the name with the frame 2, and save it with frame2.html. Now here we go, we have our second file, that is frame 2, frame 1 and frame 2. Within the frame tag, what we will do is we will give source, that is src equals to frame1.html, and in the frame 2 we will give src equals to frame2.html. This is done. Now we will save, go to the browsers, refresh. You can see we have our frame 1 here and frame 2 here. Don't get confused what it is, because these are the two web windows, you can say, inside a single browser window. Now we have given calls, that is for column, and The screen get divided into two columns of 50% each. Now calls we have given for 50% and 50%, that is for frame 1 and frame 2. We have also opened the file here. Now what I will do is I will give calls equals to 10% and then the asterisk. You will see what it will do. Save. Now get the browser window open. See, this is the 10% and the remaining percentage of the screen within the frame 2. So what this asterisk does is it completes uh, what we need for the frame 2. And if I give here 400 px or 100 px, it will get divided according to the px, that stands for pixels. Now after this what I will do is I will give I will add another frame, that would be a frame 3 with the name frame 3, and source, that would be frame 3.html. And here within the columns I will give 10%, comma 30%, then comma asterisk. It will complete the section for frame 3 here. See here, I have not given the name, so it is saying it may have been moved or what, because frame3.html hasn't been made. So what I will do is open Notepad again, create another file with starting with HTML and closing with HTML, two sections. That is first section head. Within the head I will give title, that will be frame 3, title closed and head closed. Then body, I will write here frame 3 and then body closed. We will save as, and then frame3.html within the double inverted commas. Save. Now you have got your third file also. Refresh. Now see, you have three frames here. So here what we did is we opened more than one web pages at a time in a single browser window. So there were three web pages. What we have given is frame1.html, frame2.html and frame3.html. In the place of these frame1.html or 2 or 3, we can also give the links of like Google, like Facebook, or like whatever link you want to give here. More than one web pages will be opened in a single browser window. Now we are going back to the columns. See, so we wrote here calls equals 10%, comma 30%, comma asterisk, and then we are going to make another frame, that is frame 4, and we are going to save it as with the name frame4.html in on the desktop. Save. So why we created it? Because what we want to do is we in within the frame1.html file in the notepad we will give anchor tag and hyperlink reference equals to frame4.html, and then give there a button, that is click me, and this click me would be a hypertext. Refresh. So you can see in the frame